Okay, now I'm going to show you how to solve another type of one-step equation. So these one-step equations look something like this. X over 4 equals 3. And we have to solve for x. So one way that you can think about this is what number, when you divide it by 4, equals 3? So maybe you've already got it. If not, that's okay. Let's use opposite operations. So x over 4, when there is this line and then a number underneath, that means division. So this means x divided by 4. The opposite of dividing is multiplying. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply by 4. And you write it on the left side just like this. Now, whatever I do to one side of my equal sign, I have to do to the other side. So then I'm going to write times 4. So you write it just like this. You write it like on the edges. Now these 4s actually cancel each other out. So what I have left is x equals 3 times 4. What's 3 times 4? It's 12. So your answer is x equals 12. Now, of course, we've got to go back and we've got to make sure that this is right by checking our answer. So our original equation was x over 4 equals 3. So I'm going to take this 12 and I'm going to substitute it in for my x. Now, whenever we substitute, we put things in brackets. So 12 over 4 equals 3. In other words, 12 divided by 4. Does that equal 3? Yes, it does. Let's do another one. Let's say 10 equals r over 7. So another way that we can think about this is to get 10, you need to take some number and divide it by 7. What's that number? You got it? Great. If not, let's keep going. So my operation here is division. R over 7. This line and then a number means division. The opposite of division is multiplication. So I'm going to multiply by 7. And we write it just on the outside here. Whatever I do to one side of the equal sign, I have to do to the other. So on the other side, I'm going to do times 7 again. So we always write it on the outsides. Now these 7s cancel out, so I'm going to cross them out. Now I have left is 7 times 10 equals r. 7 times 10 is 70. So my answer is 70 equals r, or r equals 70. Now we've got to check our work. So the original equation was 10 equals r over 7. So I'm going to take this 70 and put it in the place of r. So I'm going to write 10 equals, and then in brackets, 70 divided by r. Oh, sorry, 70 divided by 7. What is 70 divided by 7? It's 10. So that's your answer. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. What you're going to do next is you're going to go back to your slide and you are going to try these 3 examples and then move this box over to see if you got it right.